Want to speak real Romanian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at RomanianPod101.com.
Want to finally start speaking in your target language? In this guide, you'll discover the top 7 ways to practice speaking on your own with our lessons. Let's begin. Number 1, shadowing. Shadowing is a proven learning technique where all you do is repeat what you hear in order to practice speaking. So, access any audio or video lesson on the site and press the play button to start. Then, as you listen or watch, just repeat the conversations. Or, even easier, read along out loud with the dialogue section. The script is right there in front of you. With our lessons, you can master entire conversations, just like that. Number 2, read out loud. I just mentioned it, but reading out loud is another powerful tactic and deserves its own mention. With every lesson, you get written transcripts and translations. So, as you play the lesson, read the dialogue out loud as you hear it. Why? By reading out loud, you're also practicing your speaking skills. You can do this with the lesson notes, the lesson transcript, or the dialogue tool. With the dialogue tool, you can listen to each line again and again, and repeat out loud until you master them all. Number 3, speed up your reading to speed up your speaking. Being able to speak without thinking is a sign of language mastery. If you're talking to a native and can respond quickly, they'll assume that you're fairly fluent. How can you do this? When you read out loud, try increasing your speed a little bit every time. So, start by reading with the dialogue tool. If you're like most learners, you'll read the first line slowly. That's because you're still getting used to the words, which is okay. Reread it. On your second try, you know most of the words, and you'll read a little faster. Reread it again. On your third try, you'll be even faster, at a native speaker's speed. And being able to read these phrases out loud and fast will help you speak fast. Number 4, record and compare yourself with native speakers. In order to sound like a native speaker, you must imitate native speakers. So here's how. Access the voice recorder, which is in the Dialogue Study tool in every lesson. Click on the microphone icon. Listen to the native speaker's audio, and then record yourself. You can then compare the 2 recordings side by side, and practice and try again and again until you perfect your pronunciation. Number 5, get feedback from our Premium Plus teacher. If you're learning by yourself and don't have access to real teachers, then you can always get feedback from our Premium Plus teachers. With the My Teacher tool, you can record yourself speaking and send the audio file to the teacher. They'll review it and tell you what to improve and how. That's it. Number 6, level up your speaking with Premium Plus assignments. With Premium Plus, you can also get assignments that cover reading, writing, listening, and even speaking from your teacher. These assignments can be tailored to your goals and needs. You get a new one every week, or anytime you're ready for a new one. Number 7, get even more lessons in the lesson library. If you want even more lessons on speaking and conversations, visit our lesson library and under Category, choose Conversation. You'll get all of the pathways and lessons that are focused on speaking. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way, and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye! To master a new language and understand everything as soon as you hear it, to read with just a quick glance and speak smoothly without thinking, you need to review. Here are our top 5 review tactics. Number 1, listen to examples over and over again. By listening closely and often, you start to pick up the rhythm of a language, as well as correct pronunciation from a native speaker. Use our line-by-line feature that lets you both listen and read along. Use this tool to practice as much as possible. Number 2, use our voice recording tool to master perfect pronunciation. Record yourself and compare it against the native speaker. If you sound different, then repeat after the native speaker until you're able to match them. Use our voice recording feature, which makes recording super easy. Number 3. Master your recorded conversations. Record conversations and go over them again and again. Master entire conversations and repeat them line by line. Use any of the dialogues available for download on our website. These come with transcripts of the entire conversation. Number 4. Use mobile devices to reinforce previously learned conversations. Constant review is the best way to progress in your language studies. Download the recorded dialogue to your mobile device and incorporate it into your music playlist. Quick reviews throughout the day effectively reinforce what you've learned. Number 5. Read with line-by-line notes. Read along with a native speaker to really master pronunciation and natural intonation. You should start slow at first, then slowly increase your speed. Your pronunciation will become more natural. You will also see that your ability to understand fluent speakers will greatly increase. You'll be able to improve your communication skills using these 5 simple review techniques. Increase your understanding of your target language. And remember, if you're interested in getting all these review tools, sign up for your free lifetime account. No credit card required, and you'll get the best free online resources. And start reviewing more every day.
Bună tuturor! Sunt Raluca. Hi everybody, I'm Raluca. Welcome to RomanianPod101.com's Română în 3 minute, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Romanian. In the last lesson, you learned how to use the verbs a fi, meaning to be, and a avea, meaning to have, in the negative form. In this lesson, you'll learn about Romanian adjectives and how to use them properly. You'll see that Romanian adjectives are a little bit different from English. So, the basic rule in order to use adjectives correctly is that in Romanian, adjectives always have to agree with the subject that they are qualifying, whether it is singular or plural and masculine or feminine. Let's start with an example. Este un prieten amuzant. This means he is a funny friend. Este un prieten amuzant. Here, the subject prieten is a masculine singular word, so the adjective amuzant is also in the masculine singular form. Now, let's use the same adjective with a feminine subject. Este o fată amuzantă. She is a funny girl. Here we have to add the vowel a to make the adjective feminine. Here are a few more examples to show the difference between the masculine and feminine forms. Rotund is the masculine for round, whereas rotundă is the feminine. Înalt is the masculine for tall, whereas înaltă is the feminine. Negru is the masculine for black, whereas neagră is the feminine. Delicios is the masculine for delicious, whereas delicioasă is the feminine. There are, however, some exceptions like eficace, meaning effective, and vivace, meaning lively. In these cases, the same word has both genders, and you don't have to change the last vowel. Have you got the hang of it? Now, let's take a look at how to switch an adjective from singular to plural. Basically, the rule is to add an I for the masculine and an E for the feminine at the end of the adjective to make it plural. For example, prietenul meu este amuzant means my friend is funny. So, if you make it plural, the adjective is the same plus the additional I. Prietenii mei sunt amuzanți, which is my friends are funny. Let's see more examples to practice the switch. Curat and curați. Curată and curate, meaning clean. Deștept and deștepți. Deșteaptă and deștepte, meaning smart. Amabil and amabil. Amabilă and amabile, meaning kind. Zgomotos and zgomotoși. Zgomotoasă and zgomotoase, meaning noisy. Now it's time for Luca's insights. How do you say full, trendy, or fast food in Romanian. Don't panic because you know the correct answer. In Romanian, these adjectives have exactly the same pronunciation, spelling, and meaning as in English because we borrow them from English. In this lesson, you learn how to properly use adjectives in Romanian. Next time, you learn the basic uses of the verb a merge, which is to go. I'll be waiting for you in the next Român în 3 minute lesson. Pe curând! See you soon!